One of the things we say about Nova is that we're big enough to matter, but still small enough to care.
Nova Systems is a EASA Part 21 design organisation. We don't just design something and certify it, we also provide a turnkey solution whereby we also supply the parts, the equipment and the installation support to get the modification onto the aircraft, but actually see the project through from concept, design, certification and then entry into service.
This facility is particularly focused on production and maintenance of parts, so providing new parts out to our customers and then taking in any parts that need repairing or maintenance before sending them back out to the customer in good working order. So upstairs we've got the design engineers, both the mechanical and the avionics teams working on the electrical design and the mechanical design, and we've got the team next door who will be building together the display array that the operator will sit at to monitor the picture.
Important to me within Corsham is the Systems Integration Lab, which essentially is a mock-up of the mission system that we put into special mission aircraft that we can then use to test the architecture of the mission system. We can also de-risk any integration work that we do that goes onto the aircraft.
If there is an issue that arises on the aircraft, we can then do all of the testing and changes in the lab. They can still run their missions routinely, and then when we have a solution, that they can then implement those fixes quickly without having to lose aircraft airtime or availability.
The facility we have here at Corsham is a major part to the way we manage our risk. And even the production that we undertake ourselves means that we don't have that dependency on external agencies.
So the last thing we want is for any parts to get broken or the quality to not be correct or the quantity to be correct. Corsham really enables a facility and a space for that process to be managed effectively and to really lower our risk when we get to the aircraft. So we're able to inspect, receive goods, test them in our Systems Integration Lab and package to send off to our customer to ensure that our parts are of the right quality, of the right quantity.
This is a great opportunity for us to grow this part of the business and to move forward, providing fantastic mission systems for the customers. So I'm really excited about the future and what we can deliver here at Corsham.